Balian back. This is good news here. We finally got this zombie rig to render in Maya Hardware 2.0. Thank you to Chris, my man. Yes, and the rest of the class, of course, my grade 12s. All right, so let's just go back and figure what happened here, okay? If you want this rendered, sometimes here's what's going to happen, okay? You're going to miss the shirt. So I tried to change the material and all that, and somehow I couldn't figure it out because I can't find the actual, let me just hide the lights for a second. So if you go to Outliner here, and let's see, where's my Zoma? Here it is. So we got the base, and then the master, no, not this, it's base, this one here, base model, and then you got to go find the shirt, and I couldn't figure out the shirt in here, okay? Even though there's body, it's in here, all that, I couldn't get that to work. So we can render it. Right now, if we render in, for example, in Arnold, we'll get this, okay? So that's not helping us right now, is it? Nope. And if we go to our settings here, and we're going to stay with Maya software, okay, and of course we'll go to JPEG, frame by frame, all that stuff you guys know. Okay, name it final render. Okay, all right, nice and easy. Okay, so here's the trick, render outputs. If you enable the lights here, here's what happens in the shot. We don't have a shirt. Okay, so if we go back to the settings, okay, I'm going to close this for you guys, and you know where that is. It's right here. So if we go back to the settings again and disable the lights, and then take another shot. Uh-oh. What just happened? Come on. Come on. We had this working. What is going on? No, man. We had this working. Maya software was working. Oh, my God. Chris, we lost again. Come on. This should work. Let me close this and see if this is going to work. Come on. I want my... oh, this is not happening. Okay, should we go to Hardware 2.0? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so guys, it's actually Hardware 2.0, not software. Okay? So it's actually works. So in the past, when we had this disabled or enabled, let's see. Let's go back here, Maya Hardware. Boom. If I go to enable now, let's see what the difference is going to be. For the love of humanity. I don't know what's going on anymore. It's working, guys. We can export this guy without losing any of the pieces. Okay, let's just double check everything again. Come on. Where is this? Render settings. Okay, so it doesn't matter your width and height, but I disabled this part, and I thought in the past we were seeing all the NURB curves. Now we're not. So somehow this is working, guys. And I'm not using Arnold. If I use Arnold, here's what happens. I lose my shirt. Okay? Unless somebody out there knows how to do that. That would be a nice fix. So if we change this to hardware now and render it, it's fine. So we can go frame by frame like this and go from there. Okay? All right, Balian out. Hopefully that helps you guys rendering tonight or tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay, so we're going to try to do this. I'm going to add a bit more here. I'm just backed up for a second here. I'm just going to render an Arnold, the zombie character. As you can see, nothing comes up. The minute I put in a light in here, let's go to Arnold, for example, light sky dome. And let's see if I could render it now without it being shown. You will see that there are certain aspects that are missing here, right? The shirt, the top is missing of this zombie character. Okay, so if I change this to Maya software, here's what we get. Same, looks pretty sharp, pretty nice. And if I go to hardware and press render, here's what we get. We get all these NURB curves everywhere, right? Okay, so you've seen this, and I think that's an additional clarification for you guys using the Hotel Transylvania Zombie rig. Let me just change this JPEG and zombie test. Okay, and extension. I always come down here if I'm doing a rendering frame by frame. That's good. Perspective, whatever. This moment doesn't matter. I told you guys 1280 720. Guys, can we lower it there? Thank you. 1287.20, and then here it is, render options. If I disable this part, deselect it, watch the difference. Hopefully this works. Okay, let me try it one more time. Come on. Oh boy, this is working sometimes and it's not the other times. We don't know what's going on here. Oh, it's going to crash, I think. This is quite interesting here. Let's just try to render one more time. Now I got nothing in software. And if I go to hardware, I don't get it. Arnold, same problem. Okay, hang on a sec. And did I close this? Render options. Oops, wrong one. It's not Arnold. I want to do hardware maybe. Let's go to render here. Okay, this should work. Hardware. It's so bizarre. Oh, I don't know what to say. Pause. Okay, so I'm doing a few more additions here to the lighting system. What I noticed here in the Maya hardware, I need to go over here to render options, which is tab 2. Tab 1, we disabled this part, and then let's see what we can do here. What I did is I deselected these, lighting mode all, as opposed to ambient. If you hit ambient, look how this comes out here. Okay, so if I change this to all, for example, let's see there, and it's also affecting the lights that I have. As you can see, I have my ambient light and I have my directional light right now. And if I press Control A here, sorry, here, Control A, yeah, I have a 1 for the directional light, the value. So let's say I just do 2 and really crank it. And you can see it's even brighter. Okay, so I just left it at default 1. And if I'm, pardon me, if I go to ambient occlusion, I left it at 1. But if I hit 5, for example, see here, crazy, right? Okay, so a little too much. So we'll just leave it 1 and 1 for now and re-render. So this is pretty good. I've got a decent lighting here. It's crisp. I can see a nice, and the character works. So again, this has been a little tricky with the Hotel Transylvania Zombie rig to get it lit in the Arnold. So we are completely skipping Arnold altogether. Okay, so you can see here I have hardware 2.0. If I go to software here, watch what happens. Okay, again, if I go to Arnold, same thing's going to happen. Okay, so I don't have any Arnold lights right now, so that should be dark. And hardware is the best right here. Okay, for my grade 12s, this is what you should use. Okay, thank you. Balian out. We're done here.